today I'm going to be filming a rather old GE, and it's not running. It's got 4 blades, square. I thought they were going to be like oval shaped. There's some refrigeration controls here, made by Bell, plastic man, and some more. That's got 5 blades. 5 blades. Wait till all of them just shut off. And I visited this place in July of 2018, and I thought the GE was from 1983, but it doesn't look that old. And I thought, I can tell this is a heat pump. Let's blow with the blades. Okay, serial number 26. I can tell this is from the 1970's. It's a Weathertron, so it's a heat pump, and there's the logo. A lot of times the fan motor was upside down, and since it's on center blocks, I'm worried that it's gonna fall over, it's gonna hit the road. And yeah, this is an old Turkey Hill. That's why they had this unit. I'm sure it's from the 1970's, and if I can't get the GE starting up, that's okay. I can do that with the refrigeration components anyway. Whoop. I got it started up. I was correct. And that's a 5 blade made by, I don't know. Yeah. I like being with the GE. GE was good units back then. If you didn't know, GE does not make air conditioners anymore. They still make geothermal units though. And see, it's all it's kind of rusted out. I don't know what fan blades they are. Yeah, kind of cool of the unit. Yeah. And there's some graffiti on there. And there's this Eton, I think. This is a nice old retro unit. Yep, and I was right. But this does not have 3 blades. It has 4 blades, and they're square, and those silicons are very loud. And thanks for watching my video of the old GE Weathertron out. This has been a Tan Fan production.